Welcome to Trusted Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can double underline in Google Sheets. This is a function that is available in Microsoft Excel for some time now, and it wasn't available initially, but you can do the very same in Google Sheets. It's very simple. Within a couple of clicks, you can double underline, and I'm going to show you step by step how this is done. So the first thing you do is you click on any cell that you would like to double underline. Then you're looking here for the square icons, which is called borders. You click on it, a new menu is opening up, and you choose here bottom border. After you've chosen bottom border, you go on to border style. And from there you choose the very last option. I have it already chosen here, but I do it again. You choose the very last option here. You will see a check mark, and when you then click somewhere else, you can clearly see that you now have a double underline under this cell here, which is tomatoes. If you would like to remove the double underline, this is also very simple. You just click on the cell again, you go onto borders, and here you choose the very last option on the lower right hand side on the left side of the menu, and you choose clear borders. After you've done that, the double underline is removed again. What you can also do is you can double underline multiple cells if they lay horizontally beside each other. So as an example here, tomatoes and peaches, you select the two, you go on borders, you go on bottom border, you select that, you choose the double underline, which is already highlighted here, and you can see that both of these cells are double underlined. This doesn't work if they're stacked vertically. It's only working if they are beside each other horizontal. I'm just going to remove that very quick here with clear borders. But what you can do is you can use the copy and paste function. On Mac, it's Command C and Command V, and you just select the one you want to copy. I'm just quickly going to add the border again. So just like this, okay, it's a double border, so I'm going to click on Command C. Then I mark the ones that I want it to apply to, and then I click Command C and Command V. And you can see it's copied to it. It also pasted tomatoes, but this was just as an example. But you can see all the cells now have this double underline, which is great. So this is how you double underline in Google Sheets. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and listening.